Hi everyone and welcome back to Cook Clean, the podcast where kitchen hygiene is more than just a core, it's a mindset. I'm your host Sahura, and in this episode, we're diving into a topic that often goes unnoticed but can have serious consequences: chemical contamination. What is contamination? Before we dive deep into chemical hazards, let's take a moment to understand the three main types of contamination that can affect food. Number 1. Physical contamination. This is when unwanted objects like glass, metal shaving, hair, or plastic end up in food. These are things we can often see or feel, and while they might not always make you sick, they can be dangerous. Number 2. Biological contamination. This is caused by microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It's one of the most common causes of foodborne illness and usually results from poor personal hygiene or improper storage. Number 3. Chemical contamination. And that's our focus for today. This happens when harmful chemicals get into food, either directly or indirectly. What is chemical contamination? Chemical contamination refers to the presence of toxic or harmful substances in food. These substances might not change the taste, smell, or appearance of food, which makes them especially dangerous. And here's the scary part. Many of these chemicals are used every day in the kitchen. Some common sources of chemical contamination include cleaning products like bleach, detergents, or sanitizer. Pesticides used on fruits and vegetables. Non-food grade containers or tools, such as buckets, paints, or plastic not meant for food. Food additives or preservatives when used improperly. Heavy metals like lead, cadmium, or mercury from poor quality cookware or contaminated water. How does it happen in a kitchen? Chemical contamination can occur accidentally or due to negligence. Let me give you some real-life kitchen examples. A chef uses the same cloth to wipe chemical cleaner off a counter and then immediately uses it to dry a cutting board. Someone stores raw ingredients in an old paint bucket, not realizing the bucket can leach chemicals into the food. A worker sprays insecticides near exposed food trays to get rid of flies. All of these might seem small or harmless, but even a small amount of chemical residue can be enough to cause health problems, especially over time. Health effects of chemical contamination. Exposure to chemicals in food can lead to a wide range of health issues, depending on the type and amount of chemical involved. Some possible effects include nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, skin irritation or allergic reactions, hormonal imbalances, damage to organs like the liver or kidneys, in some cases even long-term risk like cancer. Children, pregnant women, and the elderly are especially vulnerable. How can we prevent it? Here's the good news. Chemical contamination is 100% preventable with the right practices. Here are some key prevention tips. Number 1. Label and store chemicals properly. Always keep cleaning agents and food separate. Number 2. Never use non-food containers. Even if they look clean, they can still leach toxic chemicals. Number 3. Follow product instructions. Use the correct dilution for cleaning solutions and rinse surfaces well after using chemicals. Number 4. Use food safety equipment. Make sure all utensils and storage containers are made for food use. Number 5. Educate your team. Everyone working in a kitchen should understand the risk of chemical contamination. So, while it's easy to spot a piece of hair in your soup or cracked egg left out too long, chemical contamination is trickier. It hides in plain sight. But with awareness and good habits, we can keep our food and our health safe. In the next episode, we'll tackle biological contamination, what it is, why it's so common, and how to stop it before it spreads. Thanks for tuning in to Cook Clean. If you learned something new today, share this episode with a fellow cook, kitchen worker, or food safety enthusiast. And a special thanks, as always, to Chef Meyer for inspiring this project. Stay clean, stay safe, and see you next time.